Hundreds of thousands of young children are still getting hurt by everyday household cleaning products, a new study warns. Researchers report more than 240,800 emergency room visits in the U.S. between 2007 and 2022. That's about one child injured every 35 minutes. Bleach and detergents were the most common culprits. Single-use detergent packets, or pods, introduced in 2012, quickly emerged as a major hazard, accounting for one-third of all injuries. Injuries from these packets peaked in 2015, then declined, likely due to improved safety measures, but they remain the leading cause of detergent-related injuries in 2022. Toddlers ages 1 to 2 were at highest risk, often exposed by swallowing these products. Poisoning was the most common diagnosis, and 7% of cases required hospitalization. Spray bottles were another major source of injury, often affecting the eyes, and sometimes involving another person spraying the child. Researchers say stronger child-resistant packaging is still needed.